Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are coming across an issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer with the function discovery resources publication service. I'm gonna show you guys how to turn on or off the error you received that when this cannot start the function discovery resources publication servers on the local computer. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type services. Click on open it guys. Now you just need to search for function discovery resources service. You just need to double click on it. Startup type, set this to automatic, and if the service status is stopped you just need to start it guys. Select apply and OK for save changes. So if you unable to start the services, then you just need to restart your PC guys, and then you just need to attempt to start the service, and after that you just need to go to search menu and type cmd, click run as administrator and select yes guys. Now in the command prompt window you just need to type ipconfig space slash flush dns, press enter guys. Successfully flashed the DNR resolver cache. Now you need to type NETS cache space WINSOCK space RESET. Press enter guys. Successfully reset the WinShock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, hopefully your problem solved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.